8 impressive ways chalk can solve your household problems. Not only that, closed boxes, large storage units, laundry bags, and every other small space that is kept shut for a long time can get musty and produce unwanted odors. To fight that, you don't need an expert or anything too fancy, you just need chalk. Because it's extremely porous in nature, chalk is capable of absorbing both moldiness and bad smells. Take some chalk and place it in your wardrobe, laundry bag, attic, or any other place that gets moldy in your house and kiss all your problems goodbye. 4. Keep your tools from getting rusty. Oxidation is a natural process. Be it your tools or any metal, for that matter, rust is something that will happen when it reaches a certain moisture level. However, you can prevent rust by simply using chalk. Keep some pieces of chalk in your toolbox and let them absorb all the moisture in the air. Additional tip: when you are using a screwdriver, take chalk and rub it on the tool's small end. This will help you unscrew or screw faster and prevent the screwdriver from slipping. Ants are generally harmless creatures who mind their own business. In fact, black and garden ants don't even bite. However, the ones who come crawling into your house can be dangerous as they can drag diseases in. If they reach your kitchen, they can contaminate your food and make you sick. Thankfully, ants are terrified of chalk, and if you have an ant problem in your house, you can save hundreds on repellent by drawing lines with chalk. We are not joking. Take chalk and draw lines across your door, windows, kitchen vents, and any other place you think ants can come from and watch the magic happen. 6. Keep your whites white and get rid of yellowness. No matter how thoroughly you wash your whites with detergents that claim to keep your clothes like snow forever, they still tend to get yellowish over time. You scrub and scrub, but the yellowness never fades away. What is the solution? Rubbing your whites with chalk before washing. Chalk helps in retaining whiteness and keeping your white clothes bright white.